I'm very happy to be here again in the Digital User Group. My name is Ángel. I'm the head of product for cloud. And today I'm here representing the entire product organization in Spryker because we want to bring you a preview of one release that is being cooked as we speak. So this is really something very, very fresh. You're probably one of the first persons that are going to see that publicly. And we want just to give you a very short introduction about all the things that are coming here so that you can also get inspired. Maybe maybe we address some of the problems that you are currently facing. And hopefully we will have some good fit for you here. So as I said, there will be more sessions. You are the first ones. Interrupt me if there is any question, just go ahead and let's discuss. So let me introduce you all these features. Well, we have a huge list this time. This is very, very exciting because we are bringing a lot of marketplace capabilities that we didn't have before. We are introducing the first BI tool powered by Amazon QuickSight. That there are a lot of embedded capabilities that can make bring a lot of insights, surfacing a lot of business insights there. A lot of improvements on the payment capabilities like Pay One and Stripe. And a lot of new AI features. Some of them, by the way, are coming from hackathons and for all these community events. So please keep them coming because you see, then we are also willing to support them and to make it part of the product because they are really, really cool. So just to show you a little bit about each of these topics, we can present the Marketplace Commissions engine. This is a new engine for marketplaces where the operators can manage the commissions in a more transparent way. It is integrated with Stripe, so this is really automating a lot of the things, a lot of the operations that we usually have in the marketplace. You can see in the screenshot, for example, that you can upload your own commission engines, and it also can be integrated with Data Exchange API. So this is another one that was really, really missed by many of you. This is now coming. And also in the marketplace, the integration with Stripe ACPR. So of course we can get all the benefits of having Stripe, right? Like all the currencies, all the local payment methods that we have available. But we can also onboard the merchant faster. The merchant portal now allows the merchants to manage the transfers and all the payouts. So this is really a very cool addition that is unblocking a lot of payment capabilities on the marketplace that we're happy for. In other area, we have this BI, the business intelligence tool. It's powered by Amazon QuickSight. The very cool thing about this is that already includes all the dashboards that we need for monitoring the business KPIs to monitor a lot of the commerce, parameters that we need to see if we are doing good. So all the orders, the visitors, so many things that we can complement. We can aggregate also from other sources like Google Analytics. If you have other systems, you can also aggregate it here. This is the first BI tool that we are providing out of the box. It's it's a paid feature, so it's optional, but anybody can request it from now on. It's also very highly customizable. As I said, you can also integrate it with other systems. So really, if you are not using something like Tableau or anything, you can use QuickSight as your main BI tool if you need to adopt one. And in the future, or very, very soon, we are also adding the AI capabilities from Amazon, like the Amazon Q, which will allow us to get more insights in a very easy way, getting suggestions. In other words, just making the data talk a little bit. So yeah, that's one of the main things we are showcasing. And speaking of AI, we are bringing new AI capabilities for the back office this time. For example, the visual search, so to search with images instead of typing, the product category suggestions, where we can get automated suggestion for the category for one specific product, automated alt text generation for images for search engine optimization. So there are really a lot of things that are improving the productivity and also the user experience in the back office. But it's also very important to mention here that we are not going to deliver this like part of the upgrade, right? And the reason is that there are some legal concerns for different companies, different regions, where the regulations are also very important to take into account. So That's the reason why we are releasing this under the early access program, which means that if you wanted, you just have to talk to your contact person at Spryker, or to me, or Florian, or anyone in the digital user group, and we will help you to get it installed in your project. So yeah, that's the main reason. It's already also available. But these are not the only AI features that are coming here. We have also the Spryker GPTs. So these are the assistants that you can use for example, to do dev QA or end-to-end Cypress testing or the K6 performance. So all of these things can help you to create the tests or to guide you on how to do it with the best way. It will provide you real examples. So this is really useful to bring the two main things that we need for any Spryker application, which are the quality and also the performance. Same here, we have the same situation. Since this is an AI tool, and this is a very hot topic for many regions and regulation areas, that's available. But if you want it, we can help you to do it under your own terms. Also, we need a ChatGPT Plus team or enterprise subscription in order to use it. But other than that, it's already available for you, or will be in a few hours. It's already in progress. There are more product capabilities coming. So, for example, we have discount condition for number of orders here. That's very cool, because you can offer, let's say, a 5% off for your first customers, or you can also, let's say, reward the most loyal customers, offering discount for the ones that are coming and repeating and so on. So that's another one that is going to be part of the core commerce. This release is so full of things that we are not even able to put all these slides because that will be too long. So we need to also show you this kind of overview. So you see we have improvements for Pay One. So we are supporting Klarna, prepayment, also in the ACP. There is a concrete product section where you can manage your product in the bulk. So all the variants in a bulk way. So it's very, very productive. The product comparison to show to the buyer side-by-side comparison of the product, so that you can make a better informed decision, right? And there is more. Actually, there are more things to come. Like, for example, the Audit logs, and all these activities for logging, password-related activities can be monitored both for transparency and for compliance. So you can also leverage the Audit logs in the core commerce. The dynamic card, which is also a UX improvement, and dynamic multi-store. Dynamic multi-store, probably you know it already. It was for many months under the early access program, but now it is getting graduated to general availability. So the dynamic multi-store allows you to create different stores in different regions, different vertical, and having that customized experience for different business cases in different regions. And of course, there are tech updates as well. So we are updating PHP to the version 8.3. So all the tooling like Docker SDK and all the scripts will be also updated. The publish and synchronize, we are improving the performance. Finally, this is one of the first improvements. For example, we are reducing the processing time, configuring the message consumption per queue. So there are things that you can already leverage, and you will see hopefully a few improvements, but this is not going to be the last one. We are also working on more improvements on infrastructure level. So we are really doubling down on the publish and synchronize, and you can expect also more improvements in the upcoming months. And yeah, last but not least, some improvements in the front end for Stripe. So you see there are a lot of cool things, and we are brewing that in the background. As we speak, you are, as I said, one of the first persons in watching this, but there will be more dedicated session in the next Monday, for example. Tomorrow there will be an announcement. On Monday will be the customer roadmap preview. Well, that will be more a deep dive with all the product managers. You can also ask dedicated questions to go more specific into some of these new features and improvements. So don't miss it. This is just a preview, and you will get more details in that one. Thank you so much. And let's see if we have some questions in the chat.